Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? The Target logo got cut into my face, oh no. Psych, it's makeup. I don't know, it's too late. I wanna go eat and sleep. Let's take this off. You ever wonder what my makeup looks like from far away? Like, this is what my mom sees. This is how I walk around the house. I use scar wax and I absolutely hate it. Put liquid latex under it, so it's coming off relatively easy. Oh no, oh no. Look at this piece of hair. Okay, let's do this big circle. Oh, please come off in one piece, please, please, please. No, come on, come on. Isn't that terrifying? I'm just gonna go shower. I'll clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I can't really breathe, see, or touch anything with my hands now. You know what they say, beauty is pain, except this is not beauty, so just pain? I am really happy with how this turned out, but I gotta take it off because I want to go shower. Let's start with the eyes. Oh, that feels so nice. I can bend my hands now. I tried washing it off, but it didn't help. Also, I'm sorry if I might be whispering, it's because it's midnight and everyone's asleep. It's not like I'll be able to fall asleep later anyways. And something tells me that neither will you. Anyways, let's take this off. Should I just go for the eye hole? Oh, it's really on my face. Ow, okay, wait. I do this literally every day. Come on, Valeria. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I guess that's one way to do it. The bold cap? Oh, my hair's covered in foundation. I'ma go shower.
Get unready with me. Rainbow Special Effects Edition? Let's see. Gotta get the forehead. Cute! I'm gonna take some makeup melt. And we're gonna rub that in. Now I'm taking my makeup towel. Thanks for watching! Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. Alright, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Hello everyone, this is my official apology video for whatever this is. Let's take it off together. I take full responsibility for this, however, you were the ones who asked me to do it. And in my defense, you wanted disturbing makeup, I gave you disturbing makeup. But I'm still very sorry. Let's take her off. I deserve that. If this is in my hair, I won't even complain. Y'all about to start getting sleep paralysis demons that look like this. This is already nightmare fuel, so I don't think I can make it much worse here. Never mind. I am pretty much clean. My face is stained, especially the smile right here, but, you know, I had it coming. Please give me suggestions of what cartoon I should do next that I can actually do a good job on and not have to make an apology video later. Thank you.
Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Now for the fun stuff. Whoop. This took way too long to put on. God, how do I take this off? Come on. I don't think there's a satisfying way for me to take these things off. Like, They're all off. I'm gonna go wash my face now. Damn, who is she? This look is a part of my 7 Deadly Sins series, and this was Pride. I have no idea why everyone keeps commenting the anime. I have never watched the anime. I don't know what it is. The sins are from the Bible. But either way, the full tutorial will be on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys.
This is 100 layers of eyelashes, and I'm gonna be attempting to take them off. They're so thick. I don't know how this is gonna work. I guess let's just... Oh my god, wait, that hurts really bad. 1 out of 200. Oh my god. Let's try over here. Yummy. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely tearing out my eyebrows. Nice. The eyelid is where it's gonna hurt. Lash remover, we're gonna need this. Oh, it's burning. Ow! You're not gonna need lashes. My eyes hurt so bad. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Baby Yoda edition. Let's get this stuff off. Oh my gosh. Let me take these contacts out. Let's get this bald cap off. This is a look right here. Oh wow. Let's try and wipe it off. I'm gonna go shower.
Time to take this look off. I look sexy, I know. Contain yourself, okay? I already know it's gonna stain my face. You can see some purple here, so let's just go with it. First, I'm gonna take the candle wax off. Yes, it's candle wax. Child. Anyway, so... Ugh. Whoop. Oh, this is a big one. Ugh. I wanna like scratch it off or something. I'm gonna do it with this lash case, don't judge me. It's faster, okay? That was so satisfying to do. Ow. The moment of truth. Okay. Oh, Houston, we have several problems. Update, it's not really coming off, so yeah.
Take off my makeup with me. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get these lashes off. This is bad. Oh no. I'm gonna try to get the CD. The neck is always the worst part. Now I'm gonna rub some of this in. I'm gonna go shower.
Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. I can't talk very loud right now, if you didn't know. Yeah. Let's pull these teeth out. Yeah. I don't even know how to start. Oh, like that, I guess. And that's it. Bruh, that's terrifying. Bye-bye. Good day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks?
Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again.
You tried.
Okay, I know what you say. I just can't speak.
So how do you think we're gonna take this off?
With a lot of makeup wipes.
No.
How?
Makeup wipes are bad for the environment. We use these. Which one do you want? Pink or
Pink.
Okay.
It's moist.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand right now. Hand. No. Right on the hand, like that. Yes.
Great.
What
It
is
doesn't feel great.
No.
I don't like it.
Why not?
I don't know.
Do we look scary? No. Beauty right here. Now we take these and then you just like that. Yeah.
Magic.
Just keep going. Just keep. Don't stop.
I
Yeah.
don't like this.
Right. We're just almost done taking. My sleep paralysis demon. Is that you? We're all clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? I cannot talk. But it means it's time to take this off again. Oh my god. I made her out of clay. Boop. It feels so weird. I actually finished the whole Zodiac series. So if you guys are asking for your sign, it's already been done. The reason I was saying ow is because that one was in my hair. This one isn't. Nice. I bought moss from Joann's and I thought it was fake, but it was real, so I literally just had real moss on my face. Get out of my hair, please. Thank you. I love ripping my hair off, don't you? My favorite part though is the little claws. All clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time.
To take it off again.
Yeah. This was a lot of fun to do.
Yeah.
It was so much fun.
My teeth are black.
Lucky. Mine are yellow. This is what you get for drinking 5 cups of coffee a day. Would you like me to demonstrate the latex?
Yes.
Okay. You just find a side and you go for it.
Does that hurt?
No.
Oh.
Is that in your hair?
Yeah, it is.
Ouch. No. How does that feel?
Doesn't hurt at all.
Would you like to take the other side off together?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Beauty at its finest.
Tears.
Face clean.
Tongue stained. Take off my makeup with me. So I told you guys last time I did this, I had to go to the shelter like 10 minutes after, and I was considering getting a cat. Well, here she is. I got one. Oh my goodness. I need name suggestions. And if you didn't already watch the video that this was from, you need to. I spit water at my phone as the transition and made a huge mess. But the result, chef's kiss. Ow. I used liquid latex for this moss? And you guys are gonna kill me because I always do makeup when I'm supposed to go somewhere, but I was supposed to leave for a hike with my friends 10 minutes ago. Ah! The cats made a hole in my backdrop and now they're playing through it. And it's one of the most popular hiking trails in LA, so I feel like it would be funny if I showed up like this. You know, pop out, scare some girlies into running a little quicker on their hike. Could be good for them. I'm meeting up with Carter and Scott to hike. The holographic gloss on the lips, I feel like really brought it together. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, ice emoji edition. I have not said that in a long time. This wig is literally so itchy. I'm gonna take this scarf off. I really like these white eyelashes. Ow. Okay, this is probably gonna hurt. Ow. This one is literally up my nose. Ooh. I also made these blisters with latex. Ow. Now I'm gonna start wiping. Now the contacts. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. I literally drew an animal cell on my face. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get these lashes off. Now let's try and get this off. Ow, 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 ow. Hey, now I'm gonna spray it. Let's get rid of the cell. All that beautiful hard work. Let's get the little DNA boys over here. Wow, that's a pretty color. This little Jimmy Neutron situation on my head. Now we're going in with the towel. Let's see if we can get that off. The eyeball. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, welcome to me hurting myself by taking off makeup. Let me get these contacts out. Let's get some of these gems off. Ow. Let's get these mustache gems off. Oh my god. It feels like I'm waxing my lip. Ow! Let's get this one off and this one. All these forehead gems. I'm gonna use this piece of tape to try and get some of the glitter off. I forgot I had eyelashes on. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know that it is time. It's time to take this off again. I attempted to put my hair out of my face, but I can't see, so I hope I don't look crazy. Of course I look crazy. Never mind. Let's just take this off. Oh yes. Is my eyebrow still there? I can't see. I hope it's still there. Time for this eye. Ding ding ding. Now I just gotta take the rest of this off. Now that I think about it, I probably should have taken my contacts out first. And once again, the removal process is scarier than the original look. Oh god. Okay, I forgot to film that last part, but it's like 3 days later now and my face is clean. Oh, 1 second. Anyways, as I was saying, guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was a lot of fun to do, but it's gotta go. If I just pull the zipper, will it rip off? Ah, nice. Now it's time for the rest of this to go. More nightmare fuel just for you. I think I got most of the paint off. There's a little bit in my hair, but I'm gonna shower anyways. But you guys have an amazing day.